Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to connect a domain from Namecheap to a web hosting account. When a domain and hosting are purchased separately, connecting them is necessary to make a website live. Connecting a Namecheap domain to hosting ensures that when someone enters the domain name in a browser, it leads to the website files on the hosting server. This is done by updating the domain's name servers or DNS records to match the hosting provider. We will walk through the process in a simple way so everyone can follow along. First, open the browser. Navigate to namecheap.com. Once on namecheap.com, log in to the account. After logging in, go to the account section in the upper right corner. Next, open the domain list. The domain list or hosting list can be found here. Since we are connecting hosting to a domain, go to panel. Click this Go to panel. This will direct us to cPanel this. This is the cPanel. To connect, locate the domains. The domain section is at the bottom part. Here, find domains. To connect, click this domains. After clicking, we are redirected to the domain page. To connect a new domain, click Create a new domain. Now to get the domain, go back to Namecheap and click this domain list. Select the domain to connect. Highlight this, then copy and paste it here. Once pasted, click Submit. If the account is already added, just click Submit. Once submitted, the domain will be connected. It's quick and straightforward. Now the domains and hosting are connected. After the DNS changes finish updating, the website will be accessible through the domain name.